Hey guys, back for another episode, video, whatever, of what's new in subscription boxes this week. It's been a few weeks since I did one of these, but I have enough emails that I think you guys would be interested. This is the 1st of March today. I'm going to try to post this video tonight and link to each of the subscription boxes in this video. I'll be telling you news, things that are happening, sales that are going on, spoilers, sneak peeks, all that good stuff, all in one little video. I thought about maybe making these into shorts, but I don't know if that would work. I may try it with some of the bigger announcements, just to kind of see how that goes. They seem to get more views. Whatever. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will check in at the end. All right, I feel like we always start with this one, but this is Unplugged Book Box March Adult Fiction Sneak Peek. Is an insulated Starbucks tumbler. It's 20 ounces. It will have a generic bookish design. They are on a waitlist system. The Young Adult Fandom Peak, they will have a Hunger Games fandom. And they will feature an exclusive creative item inspired by the Hunger Games. The item has a clever design, is a part of our green initiative, and is usable regardless of your familiarity with the fandom. We're so excited for you to see this one. It's super cute. Those are also on a wait list. So there's that. Next up, we have a Smartass and Sass. March theme is Give Me a Damn Break. You might not be traveling somewhere sunny for spring break, but you still deserve some R&R. Damn it, this month is all about taking care of the head bitch in charge of your life. Get ready for some sassy self-care. Subscribers will get a cheeky collectible marker, Let That Shit Go guided journal, witty water bottle, clever and cozy blanket, hilarious hot cold eye mask, luxurious lotion, body wash and bubble bath set, sensory sticker, and a sassy shirt for the big box subscribers. So there is the journal, and that's all they have in this email. Here is an image of the blanket that will be included, as well as the journal. So pretty nice that they included that in the second email. All right, we have an OwlCrate book subscription box March sneak peek. This will include a book that, wait, hold on. Sorry. All right, so this month's theme is Let's Rewrite History. Sorry, I was staining my banister. If you're curious about that, I can make a short. This is the Rewrite History box. So Lichen and Limestone has designed a beautiful foil hardcover case for our March book, and we cannot wait for you to see it. That will not have a dust jacket. It is hardcover, has gilded edges, foil patterned end edges, author letter bound into the book, signed by the author, exclusive bonus content, so much fancy foil. It's a magic-filled tale that defies the boundaries of time. The story follows our heroine as she traverses a dangerous court full of corrupt politicians and greedy nobles. So that is great. And then there is History 15. You'll save 15% off your box. A new one from Deadbolt Mystery Society is the new mini mystery, The South Ridge Stalker. For a few months now, people have gone missing while hiking alone in East Haven Forest. Some people believe it is the work of the South Ridge Stalker. The stalker is half urban legend, half campfire story. He is said to appear to lone hikers in the woods, and those who encounter him are never seen again. When 4 hikers stumble across what they believe to be the stalker's lair, you, a Will Street detective, are sent out to investigate the site. Will this lead be a dead end, or will you find evidence to corroborate the stalker's existence and solve the mystery of so many disappearances? So you can buy that now, and they also have a collectible pin, and then they have restocked this A Second Chance at Love. Oh, Sticky Club. If you're not familiar with this, it is a monthly sticker subscription. The cute, they have 3 different packs. They have the cute, the retro, and the pop. So the cute has a besties theme. The vintage or the retro has an apothecary theme, which sounds really cute. And then the pop has a Mad World theme. Here are some images for the besties. So these are animal friends. Then there is the vintage, which has an apothecary theme, which I think is really cool. And then I forget what the last one was. What was this one? Well, that's not helping. Not even the image. Silly Mad World, which I don't really know what that means, but you can just take my word for it. Let's see if there's a coupon at the end. Nope. So here's something new from Fruit for Thought. If you're subscribed to them, if you're not familiar with this, just to preface, it is a monthly, or I want to say bi-monthly actually. This is every other month, I think. Am I wrong? Well, it's either one or the other. How about that? Anyway, they send a lot of handmade items, Etsy items, but the themes of the box each month change, and they are fruit themed, so hence the fruit. They are changing websites, and then the themes are improving, but you do have to move your subscription. So you have to go in and like switch, but you would have gotten an email. So if you are subscribed to them and you're seeing this video, you're gonna have to change over, but they do have this inconvenience coupon, which gives you 10% off. So switch 10, there you go. And brand new subscribers can take advantage of it themselves. So that's actually pretty cool. And here's their April theme is cherry blossom. Receive scented, flavored, and colored gifts curated to go with the cherry blossom / cherry theme. There you go. All right, so book of the month. Here are their March books. Wayward, Loon Woman, Rootless, Adventures of Amina Al-Sarat, The Soulmate, London Seance Society. I'm trying to do this quicker than the thing. And The Last Russian Doll. So those are the picks for March. They usually, yes, there is a code to get your box for just $9.99. Use code CHEERS. All right, so Earthbox, who, FYI, I have a little unboxing of coming up in the next few days, is offering 20% off gift or standard orders, valid now through the end of March. So this is a long-running promo, and you do save 20%, which is a very considerable amount. All you have to do is use code SPRING20 and link down in the description box. We've got a Pusheen Box spoiler. The spring box will include this adorable Pusheen tumbler. So that is in there, and if you sign up for their text messages, you'll get 15% off your first box. All right, then we have a bunch of new classes on Masterclass. The first is Alexis Ohanian. This is a Reddit co-founder and 776 founder. Alexis Ohanian shares insider tips on building startups and crafting a pitch investors will love. Bring your great idea from concept to reality. There's also a class from Cornell West, Dive into Philosophy, Cut Through the Chaos and Live with Purpose. Dive into philosophical principles that can shape your life every day with distinguished professor Cornell West. Another class, Masterclass, is offering in their sessions program is Style Your Hair Like a Professional with Jen Atkin. Master 3 hairstyles in less than an hour, cater to your specific hair type. So they'll have classes for straight hair, wavy hair, coily hair, curly hair. Oh, that sounds like fun. I think that would be something I'd be interested in, to be honest. All right, the Tokyo Treat Japan Best Bites box is what their March theme is. So this month, that's the theme, Japan's Best Bites. This is Tokyo Treat, if you're not familiar with them. They are a monthly snack subscription box delivered from Japan. They do have two sister subscriptions, which is like NMNL, which is a beauty box, and then there's also Yume Twins, which is an kawaii box. All right, the March single swag box is featured here. You can see all of the items that will be coming in it. I believe the box has 8+ items each month, valued at like $250 or more, and they like always sell out. So here you can see everything. This actually looks really cool. What is this and this? Squishy. I see a blush palette. Oh, I like that. And you can use code MARCH to get 40% off your first box. Each of the last 51 boxes have sold out. Reserve yours before they're all gone. All right, Chasing Unicorns, which is like handmade, I want to say like gems and also body items. I love this subscription box, by the way. It is really amazing. With your peace in mind, revealing the March box theme. Can you guess it? Spring is calling. Hint, blossom and bloom. That is the theme of the March box. So hopefully they'll have some spoilers for us. Blossom and bloom. You can pre-order right now from Culturefly this Crisis on Infinite Earth's World's Finest box. You can pre-order it. You'll get new limited edition apparel, accessories, and collectibles exclusive to the box. All right, Brio box, which is kind of like a tech gadget subscription box. This is seasonal. This is their spring 2023 box. The first sneak peek is the Charge Tray by Static. This is a great way to organize. You keep all of your little items on here and it charges all of them, which I think is really cool. I'm actually looking into getting something similar to this. The only problem is if you have a phone with a case or certain types of things like a ring hook, a pop socket, any of that stuff, it kind of gets in the way of it charging. So you can charge up to 3 devices on it. It'll quickly charge your smartphone, has premium design, yada yada. You know, you get the deal. The second spoiler, get your head out of the clouds. Rocketbook Cloud cards are reusable index cards built for the digital age. Like all other index cards, these are 3x5. Unlike all other index cards, Cloud cards work with the Rocketbook app to be automatically, see what I did there, turned into digital pop quiz for your late night learning or practicing a presentation. Oh, that would be such a cool gift for like a college student. I love that. Don't you guys love that? I think it's awesome. So there will be 4 more products in the 2023 spring edition box. The Walmart beauty box. Did you guys know that was still around? Because it is. Their spring box will include these items shown right here. I see something from CoverGirl, Kiss, CeraVe, Neutrogena, some sort of a perfume sample, and something I can't tell what it is. Ooh, Kristen S. There we go. What is that there? Something. I can't tell. The Nuevo box. This is a Southwestern themed box. The March box will include Chopped Chili Company Hatch Green Chili, Verde Hot Sauce by Atomic City Foods, Cibola Junction Green Chili Stew Mix, and new Hatch Green Chili Apple Date Granola. The deadline has been cut off though, so if you didn't order it, you are screwed, just so you know. Okay, the March Radish Baking Club kit will have a rainbow theme. So you'll be baking rainbow sprinkle cookies, rainbow swirl cupcakes, and you'll be topping everything with rainbow frosting. So that will be fun, and you'll get some fun rainbow toppers, which I think is super cute. Radish is a very cute one. They also have the Global Eats box and the cooking box, and those are all themed out as well. All right, guys, Be Kind by Ellen's spring box is available now. Over $200 of Ellen's favorite products will be included in the box. You can win a trip for 2 to Puerto Rico. Boxes will include 8 socially conscious products from brands doing good for the world, each handpicked by Ellen. The golden ticket is back. Your membership automatically enters you for a chance to win a trip for 2 to Puerto Rico, and you can cancel anytime. There's the pricing. There will be some gardening gloves in there. American Meadows Meadowscaping Seed Starter. Ooh, I like that. Diamond Art Club Custom Be Kind Diamond Painting Kit. There will be a Beekeeper's Natural Superfood Honey and Wooden Honey Dipper. Be Kind by Ellen, You Dig It, Be Kind Gardening Trowel. The Grunata Concentrated Mouthwash, that's interesting. The Style Edit Root Touch-Up Powder in 1 of 5 shades. And the Bob's Red Mill 5-pack of Bob's Bars in 1 of 2 flavors. All right, Bespoke Post. the March box lineup. Check out our other boxes. I don't know why that was the... I don't know. See, this is the problem with these emails. Is this a box or is this an item in a box? Do you see what I'm saying? Does that make sense to you guys? Do you know what I mean? Oh, so this is, maybe somebody out there can explain it to me. I'm sure somebody understands this better than I do. But anyway, that's Bespoke. There's a rain jacket. There's a hammock. There's a, looks like some sort of a an alcohol making kit, like a distilling kit. I don't have any idea what that is. That's something. Those are jogger pants. That's a little like kit of some sort and a jacket. There you go. So that's it. And we have weird bangs. Anyway, it's just me and handsome Henry hanging out. So Henry, psst, psst. Hey, Henrico. You gonna stop that and say hi? Psst, psst, psst. Say hi. He's not gonna say hi. He's not interested. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. As always, I hope you're well, and I'll see you next time. Bye.